Alright guys, I'm taking my break. And I'm having my chicken slider. It's really good. There you go. It comes with big chicken, you know. Our chicken slider comes with 3 burgers, chicken burgers, and with big chicken. Wow. Okay mga anak, so I may as well take this chance right now kasi nakikita ko na talagang umaasenso at talagang mas marami na ang pila doon kay Hiwaga. Okay, so yun ang sinasabi ko, you know, good karma para kay Hiwaga. Kasi from the start, nakita ko siya na in-interview ni na Julius Babaw. Okay, and of course Tintin Babaw, and then nakita ko talaga na she is really down to earth, may paggalang, may breeding, okay, very humble, at halatang educated siya. She really knows how to handle the customers, which is really good kasi number 1 talaga na priority would be the customers, because if you don't know how to prioritize the customers, obviously you will not have a business. Yun dapat, okay? Especially once you are in a food industry. Ako, food and beverage manager ako, and at the same time I'm also an operations supervisor also, which is also involves food and beverage as well. And I used to be a chef as well, you know, so I know talagang ako here in the United States, yan ang linya ko at this point. So I know exactly na the number 1 priority of food business would be the people. Hindi pwedeng sabihin mo na number 1 priority is my business. Well, kahit may business ka, if you don't know how to interact, or you don't know how to respect the people, well, you will not have people, you will not have customers, you will not have businesses. So, Hiwaga, I congratulate you, and hopefully hindi ka magbabago, okay? Huwag mong tularan si Diwata. I knew it. Nag-aantay lang talaga ako ng pagkakataon para makapagsalita, and now that I can see that your business is really getting well, and sa boss mo, I am sure na talagang maganda rin yung pakikitungo sa'yo. And of course, nakita ko doon sa programa ni Tintin and Julius Babaw na yung pala kasama ka na as the owner sa Hiwaga Pares. Okay, so I really congratulate you, and hopefully magtagal pa ng magtagal. I am sure magtatagal because of your good nature, and of course your good respectable image para sa mga tao, lalo sa customers. Okay, so ako inaanyayahan ko lahat ang mga tao na instead doon kayong pipila doon sa tao na walang utang na loob sa kanyang mga vloggers, especially the customers, doon na lang kayo pipila kay Hiwaga, dahil well, Hiwaga is a mystery. So it's very close to my name as Mystica. So I congratulate you, Hiwaga, which is another term for Mystica. So yan, kaya pala magkaano tayo, parang magkatukayo na nga tayo kasi pareho rin yung Hiwaga at mystery, o diba, Mystica. So congratulations, and we love you. All the people and all the vloggers, all the customers love you, and hopefully talagang magiging successful, more success. Okay, ako na mismo ang nag-invite, ako na mismo ang nagsasabi na instead na pumila kayo doon sa tao na hindi naman karapat dapat talaga na siya yung sinasanto, inaangat, o kaya sinasamba, o kaya dinudumog, doon na lang kayo dumumog, o kaya pumila kay Hiwaga. Alright? Oh yeah.